So now we will study different methods or measures of dispersion. Okay, I hope you understood the meaning of dispersion, the variation, okay, the difference. Okay, here the difference is from 0 to minimum value 0 to 117. So this variation, how we will measure this variation, which is known as dispersion. So there are four methods commonly we use to measure the dispersion. So we will write measures of dispersion. So first measure is range. Okay, range is very simple. Range means the difference between two extreme observations of the distribution. Difference between two extreme observation, or mathematically we can say range is equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. Okay, or maximum value minus minimum value. So suppose if we consider the same example for batsman 1, what is the range? So how we will find? Range means the highest or maximum value minus minimum value. So here the maximum value is 117 and minimum value is 0. So the range for batsman 1 will be 117 minus 0, 170. And for range of scores of batsman 2, so maximum value is 60 and minimum value is 46. So 60 minus 46 is 14. So for first batsman the range is 117 and for second batsman the range is 14. So for batsman 1, range will be 117 and for batsman 2, range is 60 minus 46, that is 14. So clearly the range of scores of batsman 1 is more than batsman 2. Okay, here the range is more. Therefore the scores of batsman 1 is more scattered, okay, or dispersed, while means here the scores are more dispersed. If you see on number line, then this value means all the runs scored by batsman 1 are not very closer to the central value. Okay, they are dispersed, while in for batsman 2 they are more closer. Okay, now again this range is the simplest but again not accurate measure of dispersion, as it is totally based on the extreme values, lowest and highest values. Okay, so therefore we require some more or some other measure of variability which depends upon the difference or the deviation of the values of the center value. This range is totally depends on the extreme values, highest and minimum. Okay, no relation with the central value. So we need some more measures. So for that we will introduce one more measure of dispersion, which is called mean. This is second measure, which is called mean deviation.